So are there any general or specific laws that exist in Nepal around these topics?
Yeah, so again, I think I can try to answer regarding the laws based on our understanding and research. So the laws related to sexual harassment in Nepal is governed by the Muluki Criminal Code or the National Penal Code Act of 2017 and is mentioned in, I think, section 224, which deals with sexual misconduct leading to sexual harassment, and it also deals with the prohibition of sexual misconduct. And in terms of punishment, it states that imprisonment up to 3 years and fine not exceeding 30,000 rupees, Nepali rupees. And along with that, in 2015, the government of Nepal also enacted the Sexual Harassment at Workplace Prevention Act. So I think that's some of the laws regarding sexual harassment.
Okay. And if we had to talk a little bit about the sexual harassment law as well, what does it look like? Is it specific to cover women, or is it gender neutral? Currently, the law in India is such that we have it as a gender specific law, so it protects women. And as far as the educational institutions are concerned, we have different kinds of regulations that are passed by some of the authorities, like we have a University Grant Commission, we have something called as AICTE, and there are these regulations that have been brought in place where the complaints for students could be gender neutral. So anybody, irrespective of gender, as a student could report a complaint. But as far as employees are concerned, it covers women only. So just wanted to understand that, comparatively, what does the, this particular piece look like for you?
Mhm. Yeah, so in 2015, when the government enacted the Sexual Harassment at Workplace Prevention Act, so it does define workplace as either government entities or entities owned by, partially or fully owned by government, corporate bodies, or institutions established under the prevailing laws and so forth. And so, like, the education bodies would fall under workplace. However, we have noticed that the Act doesn't cater to education institutes and the contextualized needs of the higher education institutes of Nepal. And although, like, throughout the Act is gender neutral, so it doesn't specify that it's only for women.